Today's video is just about flat tummy. Yes, I know people want to have a flat tummy. I've had so many requests, like so many. Yes, I have a flat tummy, and people want to know how they can have a flat tummy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're watching this for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and you'll always be the first to be notified when there's a new video coming in. This channel is more about healthy living with juices and how we can have a good skin, a good body. Today I'm going to show you how we can make a flat tummy juice using just 3 ingredients. We need a pineapple, a bowl of pineapple. We need orange juice, but I'm going to use full orange. And then we need cinnamon powder. These are 3 major ingredients. Then we add water. What we're doing is just speeding our metabolism so that we can have a flat tummy. Make this juice and drink it 2 times every day. First thing in the morning and in the evening before or after dinner. What it's going to do is that we're going to speed up our metabolism. But then, if you're talking about having a flat tummy, for me, how I achieve flat tummy is no dinner after 7. So that means I try to avoid eating dinner after 7 because I really don't see the reason why I need all that food in the evening, because I'm going to sleep. So I can eat before 7, and then I have like time before having to go and sleep and all that. You can not only achieve a flat tummy just by drinking juice. There's no lies in that. You need to do planks. You need to exercise at least 30 minutes every day. Do exercise that is related to having a flat tummy. There's so many of them, and for sure you're going to achieve it. It just needs consistency. But remember to make this juice. Before I end this video, today's shout out goes to Damaris Obiero. Thank you so much for the support, and I love you so much. Thank you for sharing out the videos, and please, if you're watching this video, remember to give it a like, leave a comment below, and share it out to all your friends, and definitely I'm going to give you a shout out once you do that. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video.